Hi everyone, SAMi CEO Matt here. I'm going to walk you through our different product options, but if for some reason after this video you're still unsure which is right for you, feel free to reach out to us over the website chat. A SAMi team member will be in touch right away, and you can even schedule time with us to discuss your specific situation. All right, let's jump into it.
Here's a look at the three options that we have here at SAMi. First off, I'm going to start with the camera only. This is what it'll look like in the box that it will come in with. It's important to note that every option has the same exact camera, and I'll quickly talk about the differences. Camera only, really good if you have dedicated home Wi-Fi with a dual band router and an Apple device for it to pair to. So if you already have good internet and your own personal Apple iPhone, iPod, or iPad, that's a great option. The second and our most popular is the SAMi Router Kit. As you can see, it has the camera and it has the dedicated router. This is perfect for those that are traveling because it's plug and play and you don't need to connect to another internet source. It's fantastic for security as well, and is more reliable. If power goes out, it's going to boot right back up, whereas your home internet might not. Lastly, you have the SAMi Complete Kit here. Only difference from the router kit is that it's going to come with a dedicated Apple iPad for you to use.